Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by opening the Smile Photo app and choosing a clear face photo. Do this now. You want natural lighting and a neutral expression so edits look authentic. Once the image loads, tap Auto Enhance to balance exposure. This prepares skin tones. Next, select the Smile tool and drag gently along the lips to preview small changes. Make sure to keep changes subtle. Overdone edits look fake. Save a copy so you can compare before and after images for reference. Now refine the smile using precise sliders and tools. You will adjust intensity, curvature, and teeth visibility. Move sliders in small increments, then pause to evaluate. Use the symmetry guide to keep the mouth centered and match surrounding facial lines. If teeth whitening is needed, use the mask brush to protect lips and gums, then increase brightness gradually. Once done, compare with the original using the split view. Make sure to zoom to 100% for detail check. Finish by applying a light overall filter and export settings that preserve quality. Choose JPEG at high quality or PNG for lossless. You should rename the file to include Smile and save a backup copy. If the smile still looks unnatural, undo the last edits and reduce the smile intensity by 20–40% while rechecking expressions. Troubleshooting tip. If app crashes, restart the app, clear cache, and update to the latest version. If issues persist, export at lower resolution and retry.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.